So, there has been a super massive change up in our gear, in all of our kit. First is a Springbar leisure port. Comes standard 10 by 14, so it's 10 by 14. It comes with the mesh and canvas removable walls, 4 removable walls. Love this. Out of everything we've got, this is, well, as we're stationary, this is probably my favorite. Very nice. I love this. Second thing, I'm ducking down. Second thing, Kodiak 10 by 10 VX. The VX comes with the side windows, but windows with mesh, and on the back side is another door and window with mesh, another window with mesh. We got that. Considered kind of like a rain fly, but not really a rain fly. It's just mainly to keep schmutz off the top, bird poop and whatnot. So we got that. Plus it keeps it a little bit darker in there. But this is to withstand wind. That is to withstand wind, because our previous little shade thing, 10-mile-an-hour wind would knock it down, but it would just fold it over. This thing ain't gonna move in 20, 30, 40-mile-an-hour winds. Neither will that. No more having to drop our tents down for 35-mile-an-hour gust. Last thing, big thing. Toyota Sienna 2022 Woodland Edition. Woodland Edition comes with the tow hitch, which we have our first bit of kit. This one right here, the stowaway, fits on there perfectly. And because I have to use an adapter, because that is not a 2-inch hitch, that's the smaller version, but I have the adapter for the 2-inch hitch, which makes it out just long enough that the power tailgate opens. Most recent one is that. We bought that the last time we were in Florida. So right now we're in Florida again. We're at a state park, a county park. This one here is, what is this one? We're going to E.G. Simmons Park next week. This one here is, I forget the name of it. I'll put it up on the screen. It's a spring. Oh, Lithia Springs. That's it, Lithia Springs, another Hillsborough park. When you're 55 and older, like me, it's only $18 a night. But we bought these things so we can roll the windows down, because at nighttime it's in the 50s right now, and daytime it's about 80. So at nighttime we can roll the windows down a little bit, stay nice and cool, because we can sleep in the car, or we can sleep in the tent. Right now the tent is just going to be our space that we need if we need it. We got the coolers in there, but we can technically sleep in here. We got a mattress in here. Shoot, I'll open it up. I don't know what kind of incriminating things are going to be if I open it up, but all right, nothing bad. So we have our mattress and mattresses in here. Back there we put a cooler and stuff. We have our Jackery battery back there. We got a fan. We actually have a heater too, which we ran last week, because here in Florida it was in the 30s and we needed to stay warm. But there we go. We can sleep in the car or sleep in the tent. Right now we're just sleeping in the car. We got the hybrid version of this because, well, we got the Woodland edition because it had that standard, had the crossbar standard, and it has a 1500 watt inverter in there, which we plug the Jackery into to keep the Jackery charged. So I technically don't need solar, even though there's sun here. But we were down to 26% when I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock, and we were charged up to 100% by like 7:30 because of that inverter that's in the car. There's a plug right here on the wall on this side. There's a plug up there, but right now we have a piece of 4x8 plywood in there to make it flat, because we took the second row of seats out. We still have the third row of seats back there that we may take out to give us more floor storage back there. But right now we have a 4x8 piece of plywood in there stacked up with some stuff up here to keep it level. That's how we have the mattress in there. But this gets between 30 and 36 miles a gallon. We got about 32 coming down. That's with that on there and with that on there. Without that, we were getting 36 miles a gallon with just that. With both of them on there, we got about 32 on the trip down from Central Illinois. That's that. That's all the newest kit that we have. So, Springbar leisure port. Kodiak canvas tent, VX, 10 by 10. And Toyota 2022 Toyota Sienna Woodland Edition, old, with the new Yakima rocket box. Boy, that's a lot of kit in 4.5 minutes. See ya.